Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair plummeted 1.7% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 11.8% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
A plunge in crude oil futures sparked by the discovery of a new COVID variant raises the probability OPEC Plus will pause production increases next week. Britain, Germany, and Italy detected cases of the new Omicron coronavirus variant, and British Prime Minister Boris Johnson announced new steps to contain the virus. News of a coronavirus variant potentially resistant to current vaccines sent investors dashing for the safety of the Japanese yen and the Swiss franc.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's business climate will be released at 1000 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 1530 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio will be released at 2330 GMT. Finland's consumer confidence at 0600 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1630 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.